How to recover permanently suspended Twitter account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix or recover permanently suspended Twitter account. Now it's quite simple and easy. All you have to do is you'll have to submit a form to Twitter support. Simply head into your browser here, and in browser what you want to do is search in for Twitter support. Now once you search in for Twitter support, you can see the option contact us at the very top. Simply open up the first link here and tap on locked and suspended account issues here that you can see here. Now once you open up, you can see appeal a locked or suspended account showing up here. Now you can see I'm currently not logged in here. What you'll have to do is log into the account first here. Simply tap on three horizontal line icon at the top and then here log into the account here. And once you log into your account, now I'm not currently logged in. It's showing up because my account isn't suspended here. However, if your account is suspended or locked here, you'll show up here and you can see you can read here you are currently not logged in or logged into a Twitter account that is not suspended or locked. So simply log into the account that is locked here, and then you'll have to appeal it, and once you appeal it, Twitter will get back to you and they might be able to fix the issue. This is the only way that you can fix permanently suspended Twitter account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.